Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining me for coffee. So, what would it mean to have a relationship or a love that defines you? Um, George Clooney, when he was a lot younger, he was considered to be, you know, a hellaciously handsome leading man, right? And he found uh, someone, and now he's been married for a while. I think they have a couple of kids. And when he's asked about it, he talks about a love that defines him. Well, what would that be like for you? I mean, I feel kind of blessed because of Elizabeth being in my life. But what would that mean? What does that look like? How do you go about hunting that up? Now, I'm not saying that there's not people out there looking, but there are things that he had to do in order to be eligible to be married to a brilliant woman who looks like a fashion model. There are things that we have to do in order to get our lives in alignment so that the person or persons, the person you want to be involved with would be attracted to you. There's an energy about it. There's a scope about it. There's a range of things that we have to do in order to be. I mean, Elizabeth and I joke about that I had to be struck by lightning twice. Okay. But, there are other things that we have to do in order to, that are not as shocking as that, but there are other things that we have to do in order to be in a relationship like that, have a relationship like that, create a relationship like that. I'm going to be working on putting together a workshop that will be airing before Valentine's Day that kind of answers that question. And so I've thought about it. I've made some notes. I'm going to be putting this together. And if you want to be involved in it, you can either sign up for, just leave me a comment. You can subscribe. You can be on my Facebook or my Twitch, or we have a community called Ascension Sessions on Discord. Sorry. And so all of this together. But what I want to do, what I want to help you with is, how do you have that relationship that defines you? How do you have that love that defines you? And I'm not saying you got to find something new. Maybe it's just tweaking what you already have. Or maybe it is finding somebody new. Maybe it's reaching out and to the universe and just telling them what you want and what you want it to be. So that's my Timinim for today, and I'll get back to you with more information later on.